Don't know why I decided to do the very first video after I've washed it, so I'm sweaty. I'm in the van, the door's closed, and it's 28 degrees. This is our new memory maker. I just want to give you a very, very quick, this is what we got, what would you recommend as well. We bought loads of stuff off TEMU, loads of stuff off Amazon. It's like I've, spent a lot of money. Arriving tomorrow, camping accessories. Great, we're going camping tonight. Tonight is our first night we're going out. Anyway, we got this VW T6.1 T30, 2 litre manual diesel, I don't know the rest. And we got this made bespoke to us. And I'll give you just a little look around. So we have obviously the swivel seats. The driver's one doesn't, but the swivel seats, we got the stitching in, the colour stitching, and we obviously also got the VW logo. What I'm happy about is it does also have Apple CarPlay as well. We got these shades, which are from FineShades. We love them, and we are very well aware that if our dogs jump up on our bed and scratch them and damage them, then they're done pretty much. Little radio. In here we do have 2 hobs. We have our water, we have our fridge. This cupboard actually, although it doesn't bother me too much, but it's a bit, I know, maybe I just need to be maybe a bit more forceful. LED lights all around, and it's all controlled via this, the Savvy van. So lights off, reading lights, other lights. So they're the other lights. And then we've also got diesel heater, we've got solar, we've got inverter, tons of storage down there. And then this is the back. But I know what you're saying. Oh, let's have a look at the map. Look at the map. Like I say, I'm going to do a proper tour on it because we're so chuffed with it. It's kind of got like a little sheen to it, but it looks absolutely amazing. So, like I said, we're going out for the first time tonight. Yeah, I need to keep them shut. Jesus. Storage down there as well. There for the table. This type of flooring. We chose everything. We are super happy about absolutely everything in here. So come along with our journeys, and yeah, we're going tonight. We've got huge leisure batteries, so that should be all good. So I'm a kind of like a battery freak at the moment. So 3 days, 8 hours. I'll only ever need a couple of days. But what I'll just show you, I'll do the water, the inverter, the fridge, and then we go. Oh, we got this as well. Obviously we've decided it can work on the inverter, but it will just like absolutely drain within probably bloody minutes. And we also have this, the water tank. Now I know it's absolutely full, but it's not showing it. So do I need to do something there as well? Anyway, it's all a big learning process. I don't want to reach out to the campervan builders because I want to figure this out for myself. But if you did want to know who they were, this is them, E.G Motors down in Weedon. So I'm absolutely sweating. So I'm going to get out of here. Remembered these for tonight. Hopefully my other stuff turns up. Everything looks good. You're going to love the map. The map is amazing, isn't it? You've got to admit the map's amazing. And so let's go to our first little adventure tonight. Drink away.
Should we do a cheers in front of our new van?
What, and get a photo?
Oh yeah.
Are we holding them up? Oh yay, I've got my eyes closed. I'll send them over. You do with what you wish. Yeah, she is nice. Hate water spots. That's why I washed it today as well. What? You're lucky I got a torch for you. So you've got a bit more room in there. Love the wheels. 20-inch bad boys. Don't know what make they are. No idea. Side window. Pop top by West Dubs. like carbon fibre. Look, my wife doing. Time for a bit of tea. Catherine's got champagne and I've got soba noodles. And then we're going to be putting that on the window screen, the blackout thing. Hopefully it fits and I didn't buy the wrong one. Could use that for heat, couldn't you? To warm up. We've got the skillets though, haven't we?
It's cute.
Citronella candle ready for the mozzes. The first one on first.
I would imagine so. Just, no, like put it through the hole.
Yeah, no, I was going to loop it there. Oh yeah, oh, this is easy. Done this before. That's UK custom covers.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't say this way up, although you think it would be the right way up. The window wipers go over it to hold it down. Oh yeah, that's good. Complete blackout. Just a little pokey hole down there and there, but that's fine. UK custom covers, and I think it was about 35 quid, something like that. So travel a couple of hours down to it. This is just Fineshades. We are over there. We're just going to go and pay because we haven't paid yet. I think it's £14 a night. Code for courtyard toilets 467. Some offices there, but I don't know what they're. But yeah, it's called Fineshades. A couple of hours away from us, 2 hours 15 minutes, and we thought we'd just come here to test out the first night in the van. It looks nice. It's absolutely beautiful around. Right, I think we pay over here. Right. Enter your vehicle registration. Sun's coming down, it looks beautiful. It's absolutely dead. There's only one other van actually in, or two other vans in the park at the moment. So it's deadly quiet. So look, I'll show you. One over there has got a hammock. And one over there. And then keep going around. Tons and tons of spaces here. Like absolutely loads. Probably about, I don't know, 20. We just saw a little squirrel. And we're heading over to the van. We are absolutely in love with the van as well. E.G Motors in Weedon built it for us. Sourced the vehicle, did all the conversion. Yeah, it's like our dream vehicle. So yeah, I know I'm going to get it back as well. And Mrs. Coda is going to need a wee. I'm going to have to go over there again. But we might go for a little walk into the woods. The woods are over there. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I think I've been bit by a mozzie as well. £14 for the night. That's it, done. Oh, I don't know actually. We got our first mozzie from, we got this thing from TEMU and it was like £3 and we didn't think it would work, but proof. £8?
Yeah, it was £8 on TEMU.
Oh, like 20 on Amazon. Yeah, so it does work, although one is in there still alive and he can get out if he wants, but yeah, but one is definitely life over. Hopefully that will do its stuff. Citronella's working well out there. Blackout blinds looking good. So here we have the Fiamma F45S awning all out. You can't really see it too well, but this is another TEMU buy. These LED clothesline lights. Where have you put the zapper? Oh, there. And on the bottom, the actual lights is just magnetic. So we just link it in there. So, yeah, quite happy with that actually. Are you happy with that?
I think these need to be straight.
Do you? There you go, that one's straight. Kitchen looking good. Let's just put the other lights on so you can see. Did you really just move the toilet roll? Let's turn the radio down a minute, we need concentration.
Why are you doing flies in there?
I'll be fine. So this is the third time I've set the bed up.
Haven't even seen it in there.
Right, okay then. Tutorial. So you grab this.
Yeah.
think that was the table. Then you grab this little latch, and that comes down however you want. There, yeah? Yeah. Then you grab the seat belts. Can't remember why, but you do. Oh, and you grab this bar. I don't know why you grab the seat belts, actually. He said grab the seat belts, but... Oh, I think because they need to go down like that. Then that, like that. That's it. And then what we'll do... The table might be fine there. We will... And there we go.
Make that flat.
We can have it flatter. Okay. There we go. And that's it. That's it done. Easy. And then I'm going to use my son's sleeping bag for a cover, because I thought we were just sleeping on this. We are waiting for the duvet. Oh, that's what this is. Oh, right. And then so I'm going to get this out, yeah? But we don't need the pillowcases, no? Oh, it's very warm, that. Nice, that. That's what was the space I was on about for the dogs. Under there. There's loads of space. Like, there's tons of space. No, but I was thinking if their cage is... Yeah, true. Yeah. Right, shall I put the... So, this is Catherine's blanket. I didn't bring one. Yeah, but I wasn't going to hunt around for all white pillowcases. Very slidey, that. It's actually, do you know what? As it is without the duvet, that is... So there's the bed, and without the duvet topper, it's actually quite comfortable as it is, actually. So, really glad I bought something to put over the top of me. Really happy about that. Impressed with those TEMU lights, actually. They've turned out way better than I thought. So, in here, it's actually bigger than I thought. His sleeping bag. So not long been up, it's 5:51 at the moment. Birds are singing. I did close them for a bit, but then just opened them up just to get the sunlight in. And what I've done here is popped up the back of the bed. Sit and chill here. And then here's the wife. Huh? I'm just doing a little... I've put the back of the bed up so I could... Adrian kept walking.
That's the toilet.
There you idiot. Say the Ridge Monkey was a success. So first night in Rita complete, we did make a little notes list of things that we need to bring next time. So we've gone for fly swatter, because we don't want the electric one because Seb will end up playing with it and get electrocuted. Next thing is fly spray. Although we didn't really have a problem with flies, we had the TEMU zapper out and that seemed to work really well. We need a bin because at the moment we just got a bin bag and the birds or ducks or whatever could get into it. Catherine wants a toilet, so we're going to get a porta potty. Any recommendations? Then we're going to have a net door here. I think they're just magnetic. They go around there. And hand sanitizers, got them in work. Cling film, because I didn't use all the bacon, didn't use 6 slices, I used 4, so need some cling film for that. And some kitchen roll, just to wipe up stuff. We've got cleaning wipes and everything, but we'll go for some kitchen roll. And that's it. List done. But all in all, in Rita, really good first night. Slept really well, actually. Even my Garmin says I had a good night's sleep. Chairs, brilliant, from Go Outdoors. And, I mean, everything's relatively inexpensive, what we bought for this trip. And you only have to, like, buy it once, and then you just restock food and take your clothes, and that's about it. I might personally get, like, a shower for the back or something like that, because I'm going to go out hiking with the lads and stuff, so... And if we're doing wild-ish, I know this isn't wild, but if we're not near any ablutions or anything like that, any showers, any toilets, then I do like a shower in the morning. The toilets here are super clean though, but there's no mirrors or anything, no shower facilities. It literally just is toilets, but super clean. Accessed by a code, which you saw at the start of the video. The Fiamma awning works a treat. Like, it's lovely. You don't obviously have it just for the rain, but for the sunshade as well. But yeah, we've got a perfect day. I think it's about 17 degrees already, 14 degrees. It's getting up to 31 today. So, and we was a lot cooler than we actually thought. We thought it was going to be absolutely red, as I bought a new fan that you put water and ice in to cool you down and send out a mist. I got another fan, you know, with the big clips on the end to cool us down even more, to get that flow of air. But we didn't need it at all. Yeah, and the bed, we've got a rib bed, really comfy, like genuinely very comfy. You can raise the back up as well. But yeah, all in all, brilliant. Let's have a look at the leisure battery, see how much time we got left on it. So let's have a look. Let's go there. Let's go there. So we've still got 4 days, 14 hours. The only thing that actually is on is the fridge, and the fridge has been running for a day and a bit now. So, though, that's the other thing we got. Catherine couldn't live without, just for peace of mind. We got a carbon monoxide, we got a normal like fire blanket, fire extinguishers, and everything like that. Fire detector. I think everything is just perfect. Do you love the map? We love the map. Anyway, right, catch you in a bit. Oh, that's the top of the awning as well. Nice colour. Right. See ya. Now is the boring part, the unpacking and the washing up, but Seb is happy that we are home. The leisure battery, just for your pure interest, is still on 81%, and yeah, it's still got, well, 8 days, 20 hours, 10 days. Obviously it does constantly trickle charge through the leisure battery. And yeah, it's absolutely boiling today. But that was it. A really good trip. Just do the washing up. Put the... Oh, Sebby! Put all the stuff away. There's the chairs. They're the Berghaus chairs. You can get them from Go Outdoors for £70. And we are good to go. So hot in here. Seb, we're going to have to go. First trip over and done with.